In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to images in Squarespace. If you want to make your website more interactive and guide visitors to another page, a product, or any external destination. Adding a link to an image is a simple and effective way to do it. The good news is that Squarespace makes this process very straightforward, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. To get started, open your Squarespace website and go to the page where the image is located. Once you're there, click Edit so you can make changes to the page content. This puts the page into editing mode and allows you to adjust the elements already placed on the page. Next, find the image you want to turn into a clickable link. Once you've located it, select the image and double-click on it to open its settings. This is where Squarespace gives you control over that specific image block. If the image settings don't appear right away, just make sure you click directly on the image itself and not the surrounding section. Inside the Image Settings menu, look for the option to add a link. Click Add Link, then enter the destination you want the image to open when someone clicks on it. This could be another page on your site, an outside website, or another supported link type depending on what you're trying to do. Be sure to check that the link is correct before saving, especially if you're sending visitors to an external page. After you've entered the link, click Save. That's it. Your image is now linked and visitors will be able to click it to go to the destination you added. As a quick tip, after saving your changes, it's always a good idea to preview the page and test the image yourself. This helps confirm that the link opens the right page and works the way you expect. It's a small step, but it can help you avoid mistakes and make sure the user experience stays smooth. This is a great feature to use for banners, product images, promotional graphics, or any visual element you want people to interact with. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very easy to repeat across the rest of your site. And that's how to add links to images in Squarespace.